Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I will be showing you guys how to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. In this quick guide, I will walk you through a step-by-step process to get your marketplace back up and running. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First, check your location. Facebook Marketplace is not available everywhere. It's crucial to make sure you are in a location where Marketplace is actually supported. If you are in a country or region where it's not available, you'll need to wait until it's launched in your area. Next, ensure your Facebook account is in good standing. If you have violated any Facebook's policies or if your account has been flagged for suspicious activity, you may be temporarily blocked from using Marketplace. If that's the case, resolving the issue with Facebook support might help. Next, age restriction. Did you know that the Marketplace has age restrictions? You must be at least 18 years old to access Facebook Marketplace. To check that, you can launch your Facebook. Now navigate to the menu page. Now click on the settings icon. Now head over to the account center. Click on the option personal details. Click on the option of birthday. Now you can update your birthday. Make sure you have set your age above 18 years. After you check this, your problem might be fixed. Next up, update your Facebook app. So launch your Play Store or App Store. Now in the search box, type in the app name Facebook and then search for it. Once app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Sometimes outdated version can cause issues. Next, what you can do is log out and log in back of your Facebook account. So launch it. Navigate to the menu page, scroll all the way down, click on Logout, click on Logout. After you log out, again log in back. With that, your problem might be resolved. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete Facebook app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the Facebook app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete, then launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Facebook and then install it. If still issue persists, you can contact Facebook support team. For that, launch your Facebook, navigate to the menu page. Once you're in menu page, scroll down, navigate to the option Help and Support. Click on the option Report a Problem. Click on Continue to Report. Click on Don't Include. From this list, select the option of Marketplace. Now over here, you have to explain in detail that Marketplace is not available in your account and request Facebook support team to make Marketplace available to your account as soon as possible and you can send it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.